Due to the increasing expansion of fiber optic networks, even more active technology is being installed in points of presence. But this also raises the heat load up to at least 2.5 kilowatts, which may disrupt the sensitive technology. In addition, about 1 kilowatt heat load is added under sun exposure, which further increases the temperature inside the multifunction cabinet. If the MFC is not force-cooled, severe failures of the active technology may occur. Hauff-Technik GridCom is the sole provider of the solution. The new super silent mini PoP with passive fiber optic technology and an active cooling system. A multifunction cabinet made of powder-coated aluminum or polycarbonate, modular in design, and absolutely weatherproof. The Whisper PoP cools the active technology in 3 stages up to 3.5 kilowatt cooling capacity. Cooling Stage 1, Natural Convection Cooling. Here, cooler outside air is drawn in through the air vents of the double-skin cabinet, rises up the inside walls, cools the cabinet, and exits through the upper air vents. If natural convection cooling is insufficient, Cooling Stage 2 starts, Flow Cooling. The fan on the cabinet's top generates suction, cooling down the interior due to a more intensive airflow in the double-skin cabinet. If the flow cooling is insufficient, Cooling Stage 3 starts, the Integrated Cooling System. This consists of a control unit, compressor, condenser, and heat exchanger. A temperature sensor measures the inside temperature of the cabinet. Should this exceed a critical level, the compressor automatically starts. The fan in the heat exchanger draws in the warm air from the interior, directing it through the chiller, cooling it as required, and blowing it back into the cabinet. Therefore, the internal cooling temperature can be freely set between 25 and 45 degrees Celsius. The advantage? The cabinet interior is cooled only by the hermetically sealed cooling circuit, and no outside air is drawn in. Therefore, the cooling system is maintenance-free. Any water condensation is collected in the drip tray and evaporates through the air circulation of the cooling system fan. Due to the excellent noise insulation, limiting sound pressure level of up to 35 dBA, the strict specifications for noise reduction in residential areas are fulfilled. By mains failure, the integrated DC UPS with powerful batteries ensures an uninterrupted system operation. Cooling Stage 2, Flow Cooling, is also kept in operation. Thanks to the shallow cabinet depth of only 50 centimeters and a height of only 1.9 meters, the Whisper PoP can also be installed in residential areas without any problems or special permits. The new 2-line Whisper PoP with passive fiber optic technology and a maintenance-free cooling system. No noise pollution in residential areas, no failure of the active technology, and thus all-around satisfied customers. The 2-line Whisper PoP, the worldwide innovation, only by Hauff-Technik GridCom, the solution makers for your network infrastructure.